Hey there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to renew a loan and make a payment to reduce the principal. During the renewal process of a loan, the customer has an opportunity to make a payment towards the principal, otherwise known as a principal payment. Find your customer using the criteria found here on the left. Alternatively, the loan ticket can be scanned or typed into Smart Search. Once the loan is brought up on the transaction screen, select Renewal, and then Edit. Select the arrow next to Change Principal. Here we see the original principal amount of $150. To make a principal payment, select the minus sign on your keyboard and type in the payment amount. Notice how it is in parentheses. This lets us know that the amount is a payment and not an increase to principal. The line item Pay Towards Principal will also appear, indicating the payment amount of $50. The interest, admin, and principal payment total is now $70. Select OK to continue. We can see the loan with the decreasing principal to $100, once again confirming that a payment has been made towards the principal. Complete the MLA check if applicable and select Next to collect the tender. We will select Cash, enter in the amount, note the change due, select OK. Selecting Save will now print the new loan ticket, item tags, and any other supporting documentation. That's it. For additional assistance, give us a call at 888-407-6287.